Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making a lovely Caribbean classic. It's called Duckanoo. Ducana, Paime, blue drawers or Thai leaf. Either way, it is a lovely cornmeal pudding that is steamed in a banana leaf. So here we go. So to start with, we have some plain flour, some cornmeal, some sugar, some fresh coconut. We also have some banana leaves, which are going to be the outside of the paime or the Duckanoo. That's what they are steamed and wrapped in. Sweet potato, but you can use pumpkin or carrot, whichever vegetable you have. If you can't access banana leaves, you could use foil instead. And then we also have some raisins, a little bit of butter and some spice. I'm using cinnamon and nutmeg, but you can use mixed spice or whatever you have. So to start with, we're going to do the filling. So all we're going to do to start with is just peel and grate the sweet potato as well as the coconut. Right, so now that that's nicely grated, we're going to start with the other parts of the filling. So in the bowl here, I have my brown sugar and butter. Just going to mix them together until they're incorporated. Next, we're going to add the grated sweet potato and coconut and then combine them again. Next, I'm going to add the cornmeal. Just fold that through also. Now we're going to add our spices. So I'm grating in fresh nutmeg. If you have it ground already, that's fine. And then we'll add the raisins as well. Just add. Add in the vanilla. And then we're also going to fold in the flour. Finally, you just want to pour in the water slowly and just bring it together to a little sticky kind of consistency for the mixture. And here we are, this is done. So as you can see, it's fairly like solid, but it's still quite sticky and wet, and that's exactly what you want because it's going to be steamed and you don't want it to be dry. So next, to assemble this, we want to get our banana leaves ready. Just got a little bit of oil on my hand so I can handle this dough easily. Just going to spoon a little bit into the center of the banana leaf, form it into a rectangle shape, and then wrap it. To wrap, we want to make sure that there's no exposed sides or edges. So I'm folding the outside to the middle, both sides, and then I'm folding both ends over each other. And then I'm just using some twine. You can use any string that you have just to tie the leaves together, and then they'll be secure for steaming. And if you're not using banana leaves, you could use foil, and I would line the foil with a little bit of baking or greaseproof paper so that the mix comes away from the foil once it's cooked. And to prepare these banana leaves, I've simply just rinsed them off in some warm water just to get rid of any nasties if there's anything on there. So these are ready to be steamed now. So I've got my pot ready with some boiling water. I'm just going to place these all in together and steam them until they're cooked. Takes about 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on, but the best way to check is once the inside is solid and not soft, then we know it's cooked. So here we have it. As you can see, these are nicely cooked through, and it's the smell of the leaves of the banana along with all the spices honestly is so nice. So these are ready to be served. There we go, guys. That's my ready for Duckanoo, Ducana, Conkie, Kankie, however you call it. Every island has a name for this dish, and I think it's a lovely way that celebrates the Caribbean as a collective. So as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, And until the next time, peace and love.